We've talked a lot about building up a 2-week ready stockpile of emergency supplies so you can stay in a safe place after a hurricane or other disaster.
But what if it's not safe to stay put? That's when you grab your go bag. As the name suggests, a go bag is a pre-packed mini emergency kit. It contains a smaller set of supplies that you can grab quickly if you have to retreat to a safer place. While your 2 weeks ready kit has a gallon of water per day for each member of your ohana, along with 14 days of food, medicine, and other supplies, your go bag has just the most important items. A few days of food, water, and medicine, a first aid kit, flashlight, radio and batteries, copies of important documents, and a change of clothes and small hygiene kit. Remember, the supplies of your go bag aren't in addition to your 2 weeks ready supply. They're part of it that you take in a hurry without packing if you need to retreat to a safe place. Some people may also keep a go bag in their car or at work, especially if they don't spend much time at home. Consider your needs and pack a go bag that makes sense for your ohana's needs for each member of your household.
In our next episode, we'll take a look at all the pieces we've discussed and share some other resources to help make your ohana more resilient.